Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily for the market close as of Wednesday the 14th of May 2025. So Wednesday the S&Ps managed to close in the green, it was a very small gain. But what made that gain was unusual was the fact that the S&P managed the gain with 204 more declining issues than rising issues. So we can see that on the market map here. You can see that is hardly a patchwork of green. In fact, the market rise was driven really entirely by Nvidia, Google, Tesla, and Microsoft and Meta playing supporting roles. So Mag 7 once again. So I'm open-minded to the possibility that this rally in the short term is getting tired. Now, check out these gaps. This gap here certainly looks like a breakaway gap. That's where a stock or a symbol gaps higher, and it's kind of the start of the move. The stock's breaking away, breaking out of a range. This gap may well be an exhaustion gap. An exhaustion gap is one that occurs near the end of the move. It can be sort of the last hurrah before we have a counter trend move. It doesn't mean that this is the end and the market stops rallying here, but it does put us on notice that maybe we're just due for a pullback, a pause that refreshes. Maybe this has been too much too soon in the very short term. And in the very short term, I'm talking 1 to 2 weeks out, a little more caution is warranted. I am very open-minded to the idea that this gap here could get tested or probably even filled in the next week or two. Whether we then go in and buy that dip remains to be seen, but I think at this stage we're probably still very much in buy the dip mode. I think we'd need to see a real change in trend dynamics and structure for us to enter a sell or rip kind of environment again. That's what I got for you today. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.